Hello, welcome. In this video I'm going to show you the process to sell a ticket when you're on the phone with a customer. So in this scenario, you already have access to the admin dashboard, you're in the cashier role, and you receive a phone call of someone asking to buy a ticket. What are you going to do? First, you have two options. The easiest one is, let's say that they want the next ferry is available, and that's this one that's scheduled. The easiest thing is to click on this button, add manual booking, because it kind of skips a step for you. You don't have to select the time and the date of the ferry. You can also come here and click add manual booking, but again, on the time and date section, you're gonna have to select the exact ferry that you want. And this one is gonna be pre-selected, so it's easier for you. So let's say that they want to go on this one. You're on the phone with them. They want to go on this one. You click add manual booking. First step is ask them how many people are going to go. What's your ticket like? So they say, oh, it's 2 adults and 1 senior. And you press continue. Are you going in a vehicle, or are you taking a vehicle with you? And they say they have a car. You ask how big is it, what kind of car is it, so you can fill up the height and the length. This option here is basically for the deck handler to know how to organize the inside of the ferry, to see how many spaces available, and for our system to know how many tickets we can sell, how many vehicle tickets we can sell as well. So let's say it's a small car, so it'll be standard height and standard length. Submit, press continue. They only want one way, and again, as I said, since you clicked on the dashboard, you clicked on the specific ferry, is already pre-selected here, 1 a.m. tomorrow, and you can see 2 adults, 1 vehicle plus driver, and 1 senior citizen. We can keep going, complete booking. The last step is the payment information. So we have 2 types of payment information: credit card and cash. If you're on the phone, they're not going to be able to pay with cash because they need to pay right now to actually confirm the booking and save their spot. But first things first, you are going to ask them for their details, and then you select customers paying with credit card and continue. In this section, if you were selling in person, you would have a POS machine or a credit card machine that you can present to the customer. But since you're selling over the phone, you're going to have to ask them for their credit card details. So can you provide your credit card number? Then you're going to input here. You have to ask for the expiry date, the security code, and the name on the card as well. After you fill those in, you can complete payment details, and there's gonna be a receipt and the tickets. So here, with everything set up, you just press continue, and you're gonna be faced with this screen, which is the screen to add ticket numbers. Usually, if you have tickets printed in person, you would see the ticket numbers and match with the tickets here. So you would see 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 on a ticket that's printed next to you, and you would match with the digital tickets. But since you're calling and they won't get the printed tickets, they would get their tickets through email, you press use digital ticket numbers. That way, our system will generate the ticket numbers and you won't have to worry about your own tickets here. So after the credit card has been confirmed and the payment's been confirmed, you will get this screen then you have access to all of the passenger details and tickets. So you see each individual ticket here, and you would be able to print the receipt and print the tickets. But since you're on the phone with the customer, you won't need to do that. The customer will automatically receive the tickets on their email, so you can just ask them to check on their emails, and if they don't come right away, ask them to wait for 10 to 15 minutes and check spam folders, and ask them to call back if anything happens. But they should receive their tickets through email, and they just can open their tickets on their email and present to the deck handler on the date of their ferry. So that's it for manual booking when you're on the phone with a customer. I hope this clarified everything, and any question, let us know, and any other concerns, let us know.